Hello, dear students. Good morning to everybody. Students, as you know, we are reading literary terms which are prescribed in our university syllabus. There are nine literary terms are included in our BA final first paper. So we have studied most of literary terms such as dramatic monologue, paradox, free verse, essay, symbol. Now we now today we are going to study the literary term short story. Short story is very popular even in modern time. So what is the meaning of short story and what are the main features of a short story and who were the famous short story writer in English literature? So let's try to know about short story. Short story is a work of prose fiction or a narrative that can be read at one sitting of from 1/2 hour to 2 hours and is limited to a certain unique or single object to which every detail is subordinate. Short story is a work of prose fiction. Short story is a kind of work that is written in prose and it is also fictitious work. So we can say short story is a work of prose fiction. In other words, it is also a narrative that can be read at one sitting of 1/2 hour to 2 hours. Short story is a limited time period. It can be read only one sitting, only in one single sitting. The period of short story may be from 1/2 hour to 2 hours and is limited to a certain unique or single object. Single story bears a certain unique a single effect to which every detail is subordinate. It is also based on a single effect to which every detail is subordinate. So we have read the definitions of short story. What is the short story? Short story is a work of prose fiction that may be in narrative form and that can read in a single sitting, and the time period of reading a short story may be from half an hour to 2 hours, and it is also based on a certain unique or in single effect. Main features of short story, there are some features then we can describe like this. A good short story should be brief. If we talk about the features of the short story, a short story that can be called as a good, it should be in brief, not long. Second feature is structural unity. The plot, character, and settings are so united and they contribute to the unity of effect. A short story also consists of a plot, some characters, and setting are so united. Means three parts of the short story, such as plot, character, and setting, should be united, should be interlinked and interconnected. So should be they should be so interlinked and interconnected so that they may contribute to the unity of effect, so that they can create the unity of effect at the end of the story. Now we come on third point, unity of effect. The writer conceives a certain unique single effect which he wishes to create and proceeds to invent such incidents and to clothe them with such words that will produce it. Unity of effect is the main aim of a short story, and we can call it is the basic part and basic component of the short story unity of effect. Writer conceived a certain unique, a certain a single effect, and which he tried to create and proceeds to invent such incidents during the story, and he tried to knit all these incidents so that with afterwards so that they will produce it. The language of a short story should be clear and precise. As we know, if language is clear and precise, then the reader will easily comprehend and understand the meaning of the short story and the events and plot, so that the language and diction of the short story should be clear and should be precise. It should be used apt words and telling phrases. In short story, beside the simple language, it should also apt words. A writer should use apt words, proper words, and telling phrases and the colloquial phrases which are common among the people. So we have read the main features of the short story. They are 4 features. Now we come and we try to know about the writers and short story writers. Who were the short story writers in the history of English literature? Famous. We talk about the famous writers, major writers. Edgar Allan Poe, an American writer. Edgar Allan Poe. So far as we talk about the Poe was an American writer, and he is also called as the inventor and father of the short story. Washington Irving, beside Poe, other famous short story writers, Washington Irving and Hawthorne, were American writers. These 3 writers are belong to American English literature. Sir Walter Scotty in England. Sir Walter Scotty, a romantic novelist, and he was also a short story writer. He highlighted this term short story during the Romantic period. Hoffmann in Germany and in German country, Hoffmann, Hoffmann also highlighted this term and made it famous. Balzac in France, and Balzac made it famous in France, were also short story writer. So in this way, we have known the famous and major writers of the short story in many countries. Now we come on second literary terms, novel. Novel is the most popular word during modern time, and most of the people take interest in reading novel, and novel has become the intimate part. We can say it has become the intimate part of modern readers. Definitions. First we talk about the definitions of novel. The worldly meaning of novel is something new, strange, fresh and original. If you talk the worldly meaning of the word novel, the general meaning of novel is something that is new, strange, fresh and original. Literary meaning of novel is fictitious prose, narrative of book length, typically representing characters and action with some degree of realism. If we take the literary meaning of novel, novel is also a not term but it is also a form of writing. It is a fictitious prose narrative. It means novel is a fictitious and it is written in prose and it may be in narrative form. And its book length, it means its length is like a book, not a short story. Short story is short and that can be a short story. A novel is different from the short story. Short story can be read only from the period of 1.5 hour to 2 hours. While novel is a book type, novel's length is like a book, and so it takes many sittings and a large time. Typically representing characters and actions, novel that is prose fiction, and it represents characters and actions with some degree of realism. Realism. It means novel is not only a fictitious, but it sometimes uh, a bit of realism. It consists of plot, settings, characters, narrative mode, and solution. It consists of plot. If you talk about the part of novel, the first part and main part, plot. Plot. What is the plot? Plot is a series of events that prepare a story, and plot includes exposition and climax and denouement. Setting. What meaning of what means of setting? Setting means the time and the place where the story is going to take place. So set and social atmosphere in which actions are going to played. So plot and setting and then characters come in third number. Characters who also known as the personage, the persona. So characters are also living character, and they presents the real characters and natures of the actual characters. Narrative mode and dialogue was also followed during the story and solution. Every in at the end of each novel there should be a proper and poetic justice like solution. A complete satisfaction should be at the end of a novel in the form of conclusion. Human life and experiences are presented artistically. No novel can be imagined without human life and experiences, as novel is a wide world of human life and experiences. It highlights the many aspects of the life and different kind of the various types of the experiences which a man feels during his life journey. So we have read novel. This is the definitions of novel. Now we come the writers and inventors of the novel. Miguel de Cervantes is supposed the inventor of novel. Inventor of novel. Servant is also known as the inventor of novel. Henry Fielding is called as the father of English novels. Henry Fielding in during the 17th century, 18th century, Henry Fielding is known as the father of English novels. Is Walter Scotty called Henry Fielding as the father of English novel. Henry Fielding wrote Robinson Crusoe. Sorry, Henry Fielding was the father of English novels, and Tom Jones is also his famous novel. Daniel Defoe wrote the first English novel named Robinson Crusoe, published in 1719. Daniel Defoe wrote picaresque novels, and Robinson Crusoe was his first novel that was published in 1719. And after this, Moll Flanders, and he wrote many other picaresque novels. Sir Walter Scott is known for his historical novel. Sir Walter Scott, who was a romantic novelist, and he wrote many historical novels, and his most of novels are also called as the Waverley novels. Scotty and Thomas Hardy wrote regional novels as Waverley and Wessex novels. Scotty's novels were based on the regional part of Waverley, and Thomas Hardy, who at the end of the 19th century, Thomas Hardy was the most famous novelist, and his novels are also known as the novels of Wessex, because Wessex is the place and place which plays an important part in his novels, like a loving persons as a central figure of the novel. Types. Now we talk about the types of the novel. First, picaresque novel. Second, epistolary novel. Regional novel, historical novel, romantic novel, realistic novel, science fiction, and gothic novel. Picaresque novel. It such novels are all can be called as the adventure novel. In his lowborn in such type of novel, a lowborn protagonist um, runs one place to another place, a place to give wanders place to place for striving his in efforts of surviving. Epistolary novels, picaresque novels. Daniel Defoe wrote picaresque novels, and epistolary. We talk about the epistolary novels. Epistolary novels all told through the medium of letters by many writers. It is written in letters forms. And Richardson. Richardson wrote such type of novels. His novel such as Pamela is also a epistolary type novel. Regional novel that is based on a particular region. Such type of novels are called as a regional novel. Scotty and Thomas Hardy wrote such types of novels. Historical novels, such type of novels which presents the heroic deeds of some historical persons. So such type of novels were written by Sir Walter Scott during Romantic period. Romantic novels, such type of novels were also written during the Romantic period. Realistic novels are such type of novels which describes the real problems, real atmosphere, real social problems of the current society. Science fiction and science fiction and modern novelists are also wrote science fiction and gothic novels which presents a mystery and terror in subject matter. Such type of novels are also called as the gothic novels. So we have read all 9 terms, and I suggest you that you should prepare all these 9 terms so that you can get a good score in the exam. That's all today. Okay.